Growth is rarely accidental. Most people want growth, but few stop to ask the right questions. Before making major decisions, ask yourself not, will this make me happier? But ask, will this help me grow? Let's examine 6 important growth questions. Welcome to Leading Life Transformation. I am Balan Swaminathan, your coach, trainer, and guide on this journey of personal growth and leadership development. Stay tuned as we unpack a few life-changing growth questions that could transform your future. Number 1, will relocation help me grow? Many people believe a new city, province, or country will automatically improve their lives. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it simply changes the scenery. Relocation can create tremendous growth when it gives you better opportunities, better networks, better mentors, better exposure, better environments. However, relocation cannot solve problems that originate within you. If a person lacks discipline in one place, they will likely lack discipline in the other place too. If someone struggles with relationships in one city, those patterns often follow them elsewhere. The real question is not, will moving change my life? The real question is, will the new environment challenge me to become a better version of myself? Today's world rewards people who are willing to move where opportunities exist. Many successful professionals relocate for education, career advancement, or entrepreneurship, but never relocate simply to escape. Relocate to grow, because geography alone doesn't create growth. Intentionality does. Number 2, will switching jobs help me grow? Many people switch jobs seeking better salary, better benefits, better work-life balance. These are valid reasons, but growth should also be considered. Ask yourself, am I learning new skills? Am I being challenged? Am I developing leadership? Am I increasing my value? The modern workplace is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence, automation, and digital transformation are replacing repetitive tasks. The most valuable employees today are not those who simply work hard. They are those who continue learning. A new job may increase your income, but if it does not increase your capacity, the benefit may be temporary. Growth occurs when a job stretches you beyond your comfort zone. Sometimes growth means changing jobs. Sometimes growth means staying where you are and learning everything you can. Don't ask only how much will I earn, also ask how much will I learn. Income can change your lifestyle. Growth can change your future. Number 3, will investment in business help me grow? Business is one of the greatest personal development programs in the world. Why? Because business exposes everything. Your fears, your habits, your discipline, your leadership, your resilience. A business doesn't simply reveal the market, it reveals you. However, not every business investment is wise. Before investing, ask, do I understand the industry? Do I have the skills? Do I have a mentor? Can I sustain losses if necessary? Am I solving a real problem? The current trend favors businesses that use technology, solve practical problems, create recurring value, build strong communications. Starting a business solely for money is risky. Starting a business to solve meaningful problems often leads to greater success. Business growth is rarely about money first. It is usually about becoming the kind of person who can create value consistently. The businesses grow as the person grows. Number 4, will pursuing higher studies help me grow? Education remains one of the most powerful investments you can make. However, today's world has changed. A degree alone no longer guarantees success. Employers increasingly value skills, experience, adaptability, problem-solving ability. Higher education creates growth when it helps you think better, communicate better, lead better, solve problems better. Before pursuing further studies, ask, will this increase my opportunities? Will it develop valuable skills? Will it improve my earning potential? Will it help me serve others more effectively? Many people collect certificates, few people develop competence. Growth comes not from collecting credentials but from applying knowledge. The most successful learners are lifelong learners. Formal education may end, personal growth should never end. Number 5. Will changing my habits help me grow? Of all 5 questions, this may be the most important. Why? Because habits determine your future. Your life is largely the result of what you repeatedly do. You cannot consistently live above your habits. You may relocate, you may switch jobs, you may start a business, you may pursue higher studies, but if your habits remain unchanged, your growth will eventually stall. Current research consistently shows that small daily improvements create extraordinary long-term results. Growth habits include reading, learning, exercising, planning, reflecting, managing time wisely, building healthy relationships. Success is rarely the result of one big decision. It is usually the result of thousands of small decisions repeated over time. The person who changes their habits changes their future. Finally, number 6. Will learning artificial intelligence help me grow? The short answer is yes, but only if you learn how to use it wisely. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming nearly every field: business, education, healthcare, engineering, ministry, marketing, content creation, customer service. The question is no longer whether AI will affect your work. The question is whether you will learn to work with it. Many people fear AI because they think it will replace them. The reality is that AI is more likely to replace people who refuse to learn it than those who learn to use it effectively. AI is becoming a tool that can help you learn faster, research quicker, create content more efficiently, solve problems better, increase productivity, focus on higher value work. However, AI is only a tool. It cannot replace character, wisdom, creativity, leadership, relationships, spiritual discernment. The future belongs not to those who compete with AI, but to those who learn how to combine human wisdom with artificial intelligence. Before asking, will AI replace me? Ask, how can AI help me become more effective? The people who thrive in the coming decade will not necessarily be the smartest or the most experienced. They will be the most adaptable. Learning AI may not simply help you grow, it may help you remain relevant. Final thought: relocation can create opportunity, job changes can create advancement, business can create value, education can create knowledge, artificial intelligence can increase productivity, but habits determine whether you can sustain any of them. Before asking, what should I do next? Ask, who must I become next? Because growth is not primarily about changing your location, job, business, or education. Growth is becoming the kind of person who can thrive in the midst of change. Growth is about becoming the person capable of thriving wherever God has placed you. Thank you for taking the time to invest in your growth journey. If you are looking for support, guidance, or coaching in your personal growth, career, leadership, or purpose journey, I would be glad to help. Click the link below and let me know how can I serve and support you. Looking forward to connecting with you and being part of your growth journey.